Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and you're signed into your Microsoft account so settings sync. Once done, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar. Toggle the Xbox Game Bar switch to On to enable overlays and shortcuts. This first action registers the service with the OS. It also exposes keyboard shortcuts like Win plus G. If you want faster access, pin Settings to start before moving on to Configure Capture and Shortcuts. Next, fine-tune capture and shortcut behavior so Game Bar works how you expect. In Settings, right arrow Gaming right arrow captures, pick video quality, frame rate, and whether to allow background recording. Higher quality increases file size. Then return to Xbox Game Bar settings to confirm or change hotkeys like Win plus G for the overlay and Win plus Alt plus R to record. Make sure microphone toggle and audio mix settings are enabled if you plan to record voiceover. These steps control what gets saved and how you trigger captures. Finish by testing the setup. Press Win plus G to bring up the overlay, then record a 10-15 second clip to validate video, audio, and mic capture. If the overlay doesn't open, make sure Xbox Game Bar is allowed to run in the background via privacy right arrow background apps. Some power profiles block it. When things still fail, restart Windows, then reinstall Xbox Game Bar from the Microsoft Store. If reinstalling, sign back into your Microsoft account and reapply the capture and shortcut preferences.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.